Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. We are learning Excel automation here. In this series today we will learn the get cell color activity and read and write cell activity. So let's go to the UiPath Studio and understand these activities with example. So here understand the we are creating a program to understand the get cell color activity. So here I'm creating a new workflow here. Control N and creating get cell color. So in this sequence, I'm taking the flowchart activity here, and this activities um here uh, we are working in the Excel automation. So firstly, we take the Excel application scope activity. So you can write here Excel application. So in this activity, firstly select the file which we are working on. So I'm working on the color data file. So I'm select that file. Here I'm taking activity that is a get cell color activity. So you can see this activity guys, these activities here. The only seat name is already given default seat 1, and the cell number also given A1. So if you want to change the cell, you can change the, so whatever you want to get the cell color, so you provide here in this cell field. So firstly I creating a one variable output variable, that is a control K and color name. So I'm created a variable here and also providing the seat and the seat 1, and taking the color of cell number A1. So if you want to take the color of another cell, you can write here. Okay. So this is the one activity. So after go to the flow chart, and here I'm using the flow decision activity here. Flow decision. So uh, here I'm providing the some condition. If uh, our color is found, then whatever you want to do, you can do. So I'm only providing the some message box, taking the message box if color is found. So in this flow decision, go to the property section and provide the condition here. So if here provide the condition color name, we are not coming the color name because we are not the uh, variable is not a global. So firstly change here the scope of the variable, and also see here the variable type is always color. If you don't showing in the color, then you can go to the browse and browse for type and select find the drawing dot color variable type. So here already coming the color variable. So let's go to the next. So I have declared the scope, then go to the flow chart, and here write the condition. So color name dot name equals to whatever you color want, searching the color. So I'm searching the yellow color here, yellow color. Okay. So if I'm getting the color is yellow, then showing the another pop-up message box, and if not getting the color, then showing the another message box. So here I'm using the message box activity here. Here if the color is not found, then write the message here. This is not a yellow color. and if you found the color, then go to the Excel sheet and write the same. So I'm copying this file and pasting here again. So and connect with the true hope, true nodes. Okay, and go to this section, and here delete this activity and use here the right cell activity, right. Okay, so right cell activity, uh, you can here provide the whatever you want. So we are getting the color variable. So here that variable is color name, and here showing the color dot name. Okay, so this is writing the sheet 1 A1 cell, because we are already in the A1 sheet already data, so we are writing in the C1 cell. If actually so writing in the A1 cell, C1 cell. If also right here, use the message box. Yes, this is this is yellow color. Yes, this is yellow color, and write the cell name. So when if the color is yellow, so in the you can go to the Excel sheet, input Excel sheet. I'm showing the Excel input sheet. So here you can see here the in the A2 A2 cell, we are providing the yellow color. In the A1 cell, we are providing the red. So in, if you are checking the first condition, so first condition is false, then not writing anything. So that's why I'm providing the here. In this we are getting the set A2 cell. We are getting the A2 cell. In the A2 cell, we are the yellow color. Okay, and after that, I'm writing here the in the C2 cell corresponding the A1 A2. So I'm running this program and show you the output how it's work. Yes, this is a yellow color. Okay, and you can see the sheet here. Yellow is also written in the another cell. You can see here yellow is written here. So if you want to printing all the color, if you identify the color and you want to write the same color of the cell, so you can write that. So this is the uh, all about the get cell color and how to write in the cell and how to read the particular cell. So I also tell you that activity. So only here the writing write cell activity we are using. So if you want to get read cell activity, so you can use that also. Here I'm using read cell. So uh, I'm reading here uh, sheet 1 and populating in this variable. So firstly I create a one another variable, that is a control K data. Okay, and thus and this variable I'm concatenate the same data. Okay, so I'm again running this flow. You can see the result. Yeah, yes, this is yellow color and the flying automation seller. This value taken from the cell 1. So I hope you understand the write and read cell activity and get cell color activity. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. And that's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks.